These are the top 5 ringtones of 2025 that people just can't get enough of. From catchy beats to viral tunes, these ringtones are all over everyone's phones this year. And believe me, the number 1 ringtone, every guy has it on his phone, no doubt. Number 5, You and I. Number 4, Cradles.
Hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Number 3, Suzume. Number 2, Maroon 5.
Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not, 'cause our dreams bring back all the memories of everything.
Before you see the number 1 ringtone, make sure to hit that like button. Number 1, Ava.